built in the 1890s by Eusebi Güell for his textile workers. The idea was to create a self-contained community away from city unrest, with housing right next to the factory. Infrastructure-wise, it was quite advanced for its time. Workers got proper terraced homes, a school with free education for kids, a consumer cooperative for affordable goods, medical care through the doctor's house and clinic, plus cultural spots like a theatre, ateneu community centre, and gardens. There was a modernist water reservoir built in 1895 for reliable supply. The factory itself had specialized buildings for spinning, dyeing, and weaving, connected by internal rails for moving materials. The crown jewel is Gaudí's Crypt, a UNESCO site, which was meant to be the church, but only the lower level got finished. Today, the area is preserved as cultural heritage with good train access from Barcelona, parking, and walking paths for visitors. It's a peaceful, charming spot that feels frozen in the early 20th century.